Hello, XBR here. Today, I'll show you how to configure and customize your Home Assistant dashboard. Let's start by opening the dashboard editor. Locate the RBG Sense Smart Light card, open its configuration, and from the Add Feature dropdown, select the Light Color Favorites control. Next, we'll add a brightness control feature. Returning to the main board, let's organize our layout, move the Lampa tile over to the bedroom section, and add the light color favorites and brightness controls to it as well. Configure the new card with the Trendograph feature and set its orientation to horizontal. Now let's move to the living room. Edit the living room lamp tile to include brightness and color temperature controls. For the LG TV tile, enable full width for a cleaner look. Quickly sweep through the remaining kitchen lights like LED strip, neon light, and spotlights to ensure all controls and features are mapped correctly. Finally, let's add some visual style to individual sections. Click the three dots next to the kitchen section, go to Layout, Greater Than Background Options, and pick a red accent color. Set the opacity to around 18% for a subtle tint. Hit Save, and our dashboard is fully customized. And that is how you build a clean, functional Home Assistant dashboard. It took some tweaking, but everything is finally running smoothly. If this gave you some inspiration for your own smart home setup, hit that like button and subscribe for more projects. Let me know in the comments what your favorite card or layout is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.